Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Cor pulmonale and its causes. So there are various headings we need to know this under. So the first one is the disease of the pulmonary parenchyma. So it is a disease involving the pulmonary parenchyma. So this includes the COPD, that is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Next is the diffuse pulmonary interstitial fibrosis. So diffuse pulmonary, let's write it down. Diffuse pulmonary interstitial fibrosis. Next is presence of the pneumoconiosis. So there is also the pneumoconiosis. To watch the full video, please click on the link below and it will redirect you to the main video.